I filmed the whole section there and my camera just stopped working, there wasn't enough space, so
it is time. From the ashes a fire shall be woken, a light from the shadow shall spring, renewed shall be blade that was broken.
We've cut our elastic for around our arm, and now we're going to get our allowance on the fabric here at the grain. So basically I want a bit of gathering here, not too much, and a bit of seam allowance, so I might do it just here, and it's like at an angle so it's straight as possible. So I'll just do some pinning. So I hope you can see that. I've just put pins along here. This is our allowance for a bit of gathering and a bit of a seam. So it'll be up to there actually. So we've got some gathering and a bit of a seam, so I'm going to cut this now. I might have to do separately here, we'll see. Material's quite thick. It's very stretchy material, this. So that's the two seams done. So this will be going round your arm. This will be going round your arm this way. And you'll have the seams open. And they'll hang lovely. Can't wait for this. Hold on. So that's the shape there. So now we're going to hem the curve. It turns out that when you do it straight, you could do a curve if you wanted to. It's like a box shape, but we can always curve it out more if we want to, whatever. We'll see how we get on. So I'm just going to lay it flat as much as possible and start hemming. I need to do a double roll, if you know what I mean. So roll it up about half a centimetre and then again. And put a pin in.